everyone. I thought I would show my face in the video for a change this time. I haven't done that in a while I'm making it. So tonight I am cooking another simple, easy meal. My back's a bit extra sore tonight. I think I'm feeling the weather changing. I feel like I'm like a human barometer. I can tell when there's a change in weather. It's getting cooler here in beautiful Santa Cruz, and very nice weather during the day, but the mornings and evenings are getting quite cool again. And my body lets me know that temperature change has happened. So I'm not feeling much like doing a big meal, so I'm just gonna make a basic Beyond Meat burger. Sometimes I crave having the ability to eat fast food, and sometimes I wish I could just, call and order something. But by the time I call or order and wait and pay the extra money, which I don't have, don't want to, I might as well just make it myself and save a lot of money, because most of my food is free if you've been watching my other videos. So
could have.